Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to enable, how to disable, how to change the mode of character status HUD. So why we should change this feature? So if you prefer to have the HUD always visible or hidden, rather than having it appear based on context, you could change this setting to always on or always off, for example. So to change this setting, you should click on Escape button to open the main menu. Then just settings. In settings, find here gameplay. Scroll down and find here character status HUD. You can change it to automatic, so enables character status display on the HUD when you're fighting, for example. Always display enables character status always hide, never shows your HUD, and automatic, of course. So for example, I want to use always display mode, and when I click in escape twice, now I always have player HUD showing my screen. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.